What is the state birds of Andhra Pradesh? Answer A. Indian roller. What is the state birds of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer C. Great hornbill. What is the state birds of Assam? Answer D. White winged duck. What is the state birds of Bihar? Answer A. House sparrow. What is the state birds of Chhattisgarh? Answer C. Common hill myna. What is the state birds of Goa? Answer A. Yellow throated bulbul. What is the state birds of Gujarat? Answer C. Greater flamingo. What is the state birds of Haryana? Answer A. Black francolin. What is the state birds of Himachal Pradesh? Answer C. Western tragopan. What is the state birds of Jharkhand? Answer C. Asian coal. What is the state birds of Karnataka? Answer D. Indian roller. What is the state birds of Kerala? Answer A. Great hornbill. What is the state birds of Madhya Pradesh? Answer A. Indian paradise flycatcher. What is the state birds of Maharashtra? Answer C. Yellow-footed green pigeon. What is the state birds of Manipur? Answer C. Mrs. Hume's pigeon. What is the state birds of Meghalaya? Answer A. Common hill myna. What is the state birds of Mizoram? Answer A. Mrs. Hume's pigeon. What is the state birds of Nagaland? Answer D. Blythe's tragopan. What is the state birds of Odisha? Answer A. Indian roller. What is the state birds of Punjab? Answer C. Northern goshawk. What is the state birds of Rajasthan? Answer C. Great Indian bustard. What is the state birds of Sikkim? Answer A. Blood pheasant. What is the state birds of Tamil Nadu? Answer C. Common emerald dove. What is the state birds of Telangana? Answer C. Indian roller. What is the state birds of Tripura? Answer D. Green imperial pigeon. What is the state birds of Uttarakhand? Answer A. Himalayan monal. What is the state birds of Uttar Pradesh? Answer D. Cirrus crane. What is the state birds of West Bengal? Answer D. White-throated kingfishers.